Laresar V7 cordless vacuum packs a 500-watt brushless motor, 8 by 2,500 mAh batteries, and a self-standing build. Runs up to 60 minutes with power-adjustable modes, 20, 40, 60 minutes for flexible cleaning. Cleans deep on carpets and hard floors with flexible edge rotation that reaches tight corners. Comes with 11 accessories including motorized brush, HEPA filters, nozzles, wall mount, and swappable battery. Weighs under 3 kilograms with LCD display, 0.61 L dust cup, and multi-brush setup for whole home coverage. Enjoy peace of mind with quality assurance, anti-counterfeit protection, free delivery, and easy returns. You can find the product link in the description below.